Hi everybody, this is Deb Vance. Hey, I'm here in my gallery space and I'm dying to share with you. We got the track that I had in the ceiling in Old Mesilla in my last studio installed here. Look up and there it is. Paintings are now, I'm taking advantage of every square inch of this room and we're hanging along the ceiling. I don't have to put holes in the walls. That is the best part. The track has cables and hooks, and all the artwork is now up where it belongs. You can see my studio right across the hall where I do my painting. And here we are. We're just taking a lap around the room. And I've got a desk set up back here and a table actually, and a little bit more art. So I'm spinning you all the way around the room. Check that out. We're gonna go across the hall and I will show you. I've got a little bit more of the track there, but new displays, new way to look at art here in San Angelo. I've got it all set up. Yay! I'll go across the hall, right across the hall. It's way bright over here, as you can see, with the afternoon sun coming in. And there again, there's the track. And a little bit of art over here. And I've used my drafting table and set up all these Christmas cards. I gotta show you the cards. I made cards to go with our San Angelo rams and sheep theme. If you drive about town, the sheep are everywhere. They're painted, they're in front of the local businesses. They're really kind of cool. I really enjoy seeing them around town. So now I've got Christmas cards that are just for San Angelo. Check these out as I rotate the camera. Here we go. We have Vintage Santa with the sheep. We have the first one I did, wishing you a Merry Christmas. Santa is wearing boots. Maybe he got them at Letty Boots. Who knows? And another ram here. So the cards now, you see this guy. Here's his card. San Angelo Rams. Merry Christmas from San Angelo. And this one. So these cards are 4 for $10. 25 a dozen. And then I've got my story of Christmas, and I'm going to go up here. It's so much easier to see. There's 4 scenes. They're in boxes that tell the story. Jesus and Mary are arriving in Bethlehem. Somebody asked me the other day, what's the wall? Well, back then, all those cities were walled. So just outside the city wall, we're told that Jesus was likely born in one of the caves where the sheep were, where the animals were, just outside the city, outside the walls of the city. And here we are with Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Well, the angels are explaining, and the shepherds. And there they are, outside the city walls. And later, we have kings. So the kings arriving with their whole entourage. They didn't come alone. They didn't travel alone. So I put in plenty of camels. Anyway, if there's something that I can help you with, I can be your secret Santa. We can do layaway, and you can pick things up when it's good for you. Maybe get it reserved now and tucked away, and you can pick it up later. So give me a call. Phone number is 325-244-3278. You can email me at Debra, D-E-B-R-A, at DebraVance.com, and the website is www.debravance.art. Everybody have a great day and a nice weekend. Stay tuned.